Greetings, fellow futurists. Welcome to Quantum Intelligence. Today, we're diving deep into the far reaches of artificial intelligence, to a place where the very fabric of what we know is challenged. The evolution of AI isn't just a technological timeline, it's a testament to human innovation. Right at the outset, we have our foundational layer, the rule-based AI systems. These are the pioneers of artificial intelligence, handling a singular task, determined by their coded instructions. Imagine pitting your wits against a computer in a game of chess. The computer can strategize based on pre-embedded rules, but it won't exhibit an iota of creativity or learning. Superb for tasks with defined parameters like determining mechanical issues or processing tax documents, their strength lies in reliability. But ask them to think out of the box? That's not on the menu. Progressing to the next tier, we delve into context awareness and retention systems. Here, AI gets a memory upgrade. Recall the last time you casually conversed with your digital assistant, Siri or Google Assistant. These AIs remember your conversations, discern context, and craft responses accordingly. If you ponder about yesterday's soccer match and then follow up about the next game, they'll connect the dots. It's a monumental leap from our earlier chess-playing friends. Ever chatted with ChatGPT? An AI prodigy of this stage, it's fine-tuned from myriad conversations and crafts nearly human-like dialogues. While they might not qualify as true AI savants, they're like teenagers, graduating from rote learning to understanding context. Now, marching ahead, we reach the domain-specific mastery systems. As the name suggests, these AI entities are the connoisseurs of specific fields. Not jack of all trades, but true masters of one. Remember IBM's Watson? Crafted to reign supreme on Jeopardy, it exemplified this mastery. Then there's Google's DeepMind AlphaGo, a maestro of the intricate board game, Go, even outsmarting world champions. These AIs aren't just processing tasks, they're analyzing, learning, and excelling in their domains. This journey of artificial intelligence, from simple, rule-driven entities to dynamic, domain-specific experts, is truly astounding, and we're only scratching the surface. As we surge ahead into an AI-driven era, understanding these stages can be the key to harnessing their vast potentials. Stay tuned as we continue to unveil the mysteries of AI and the technological marvels that await us. Moving a step ahead, we touch upon thinking and reasoning AI systems. These aren't your everyday machines. They emulate human-like thinking, reasoning, and even creativity. Yes, they go beyond mere rules or contexts. Powered by advanced machine learning and deep learning mechanisms, these systems evolve, learn, and enhance with every experience. Imagine an AI that grasps the intricacies of a novel, deciphers character motives, or even predicts economic fluctuations with precise accuracy. Remarkable, isn't it? But even so, they're not on par with the intricacies of the human brain. Instead, consider them as ingenious instruments for cognition and deliberation. If you're enjoying this expedition into the AI universe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on Quantum Intelligence. Let's continue this enlightening journey together. Now, what lies beyond? We find ourselves gazing at artificial general intelligence, AGI. While still largely in the realm of theory, AGI is AI that mirrors human intelligence in every conceivable manner. From mastering various tasks, languages, creative pursuits, to even theoretically grasping emotions. The potential is limitless. AGI isn't just about emulating, it's about equating. But as of now, true AGI remains an elusive dream, one that's hotly debated and highly anticipated in the tech community. But hold on, because the journey doesn't end here. Imagine an AI realm even beyond our wildest imaginations, artificial superintelligence, ASI. Here, we're no longer discussing AI mimicking human capabilities, but rather outshining them. It's like comparing a colossal giant to a mere ant in terms of intelligence. ASI has the potential to devise solutions to some of humanity's most challenging dilemmas, be it environmental crises or complex health challenges. To comprehend ASI's prowess, imagine an entity that not only matches but surpasses human intellect in every dimension. Whether it's economic tasks, analytical reasoning, or even creativity, ASI is projected to execute with unparalleled precision, speed, and efficiency. Imagine a world where machines aren't just smart, they're inventors and pioneers, shedding light on cosmic riddles we've yet to decipher. But with such monumental capability comes great responsibility and trepidation. ASI, or artificial superintelligence, doesn't merely represent advanced technology. It encapsulates profound philosophical, ethical, and safety challenges. Power dynamics, the essence of intelligence, and consciousness are all at the forefront of this AI evolution. Now, as we plunge further into the AI abyss, we reach our final destination, the AI singularity. A term you might have heard, and often simply known as the singularity. It's a proposed moment when technological progression becomes not only unstoppable, but evolves at a pace beyond human comprehension. Popularized by futurist Ray Kurzweil, this concept, rooted in physics, is reminiscent of the enigmatic heart of a black hole, where our understanding just breaks apart. In the AI spectrum, it hints at a time when machines can self-enhance at lightning speeds, far outpacing human ingenuity. Such rapid progress presents electrifying possibilities, from the end of human existence as we know it, to the tantalizing idea of uploading one's consciousness into digital realms. However, it's essential to highlight that the very notion of the singularity remains in the realm of conjecture and debate. While some champion its inevitable arrival, others perceive it as nothing more than grandiose sci-fi. What would a genuine ASI even be like? Can we fathom it? Regardless of where the scales tip in this discussion, traversing the 7 AI phases provides us with a panoramic view of its sheer potential and the dilemmas it manifests. The impending AI era promises to be an epoch of exponential growth and exploration. In wrapping up, remember this. The AI tapestry is still being woven, and its role in our global narrative is set to burgeon. Creating this video was an exhilarating journey, and if it enlightened you, do us a favor. Smash that like button and subscribe for more illuminating content. If you've hung on till now, drop a quantum in the comments below, signaling your newfound insights. Stay curious, stay intelligent, and until next time, keep exploring with quantum intelligence.